Hey guys, so I'm going to do a total body workout for you again today with no equipment needed, so no excuses, anytime, any place. We're going to do it as a superset, so you're going to work your way through the entire circuit and then start without any break, take a little break at the end of the circuit and then go straight back to the beginning. Do the circuit as many times as you like, optionally 3 to 4 times. We're going to start with some alternate forward lunges, 20 reps, so 10 on each leg before going straight into the next exercise. Let's go. You want to try and get as low as you can on these, so the knee touching the ground without whacking into the ground, making sure you're stepping far enough forward that the knee doesn't go further forward than your toes. The next exercise we're going to do is a glute bridge. So we're going to go down to the floor. I want you to squeeze for 3 seconds at the top. Don't drop the booty all the way down in between. Try and keep it lifted throughout. And we're just going to do 12 reps here. Exercise is going to be a push-up with a shoulder tap. If you want to modify that and make it a bit easier, you can do it without the shoulder tap or you can do it on your knees. We're just going to do 10 to 12 reps of these. Let's go. Exercise 4 is going to be Pilates swimming. It might feel like you're not doing much, but it really helps strengthen the posterior chain. Really good for those lower back muscles, upper back muscles, glutes, give them a good squeeze. You're going to keep the upper body and the legs off throughout the entire set and squeeze the booty. Let's do this for 20 seconds. The next exercise is called a Breakdancer. I'm going to recommend doing it without a towel or a mat. It tends to get twisted all underneath your feet. So just down on the floor, you're going to start on all fours, knees slightly raised, and then just follow along. Right, I'm getting bitten alive out here, so that's why I like my workout short and sweet. The mosquito repellent really isn't cutting it. So the last exercise we're going to do is a plank. You can do your variation if you want to do it on your toes, if you want to do it on your knees, but I want you to aim for 30 seconds. The last exercise in the circuit, and then we go right back to the beginning and do it all over again. Thanks for watching. If you like this workout, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.